Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we use hash command in AutoCAD. So for that, we have the various close diagrams, close figure. So you just have to click on this home, and here in this draw group, you have to select this option, and here we have this hash. Just click on that and this command will be activated. Now here it's saying pick up internal points. Okay, so you have to select the points where you want to apply this hash. For example, if I click this one and this one here and here, then you can see this closed figure are filled with the particular hash. You can click on this arrow and change the particular hash, or if you don't like the size of it, if you want to increase the scale, then you can click on this box and enter the specific, press 100, then its size will be changed. Similarly 150, and this will change. If I keep it 10, then it will be very small. Let's keep it 50. Similarly, you can use the hash command by just pressing H, enter, and you can select the closed figures, and this time you can change the hash type and change the dimension here, scale, and press enter. So guys, this way you can use the hash command. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.